Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you my coloring space and how I organize my coloring supplies. Hello coloring friends! This is the place where I color. I edit my videos here and I have most of my colored pencils in front of me. So this is how I organize my colored pencils. I separate these pencils by brand and color. These containers are from Daiso. As you can see, I divide all my colored pencils by brand and by color. In this first container, I have my polychromos, and these are my Derwent Color Soft. These colored pencils are soft and it blends really well, but nothing compares to the Prismacolor Premier colored pencils. I have the 150 set of colored pencils and I divide each color in each container. I separate them by colors because in that way it is easier for me to find the colors I need when I'm coloring. In this drawer, I store all my gel pens and markers. I got these containers from Daiso as well. So again, I organize my pens and markers by brand. And I like doing it this way because it is easier for me to find everything in one place. In this drawer, I store all my pens that I use for coloring. I have Stabilo pens, Jelly Rolls, Uniball Signo, these are great. I love using these. And here I collect some Posca markers as well. I store them here with my Tombow markers and some fine liners. In this drawer, I store my ruler, notebooks, erasers, sharpeners, and this Berkeley color wheel. I use this color wheel from Berkeley, and whenever I'm trying to decide what background color I am going to use for a page, I get this one. I store my mechanical pencil, eraser, and sharpeners in this cute container. I use this ruler for my sketchbook, and in the sketchbook you will find all the color swatches of my colored pencils. I'm going to do a separate video about that, so stay tuned. In this box, I store some of my colored pencils such as Faber-Castell Classics and Maped Color Peps. So when you open this box, you'll find several containers. And in there, I store some of my colored pencils and I organize them by color. In this box, I store all my blue and purple colored pencils. In this box, I store the colors yellow and green, brown, peach, white. Here I have the colors pink and red, and some orange colors as well. So that's how I organize all my coloring supplies. I hope this video inspires you to organize your coloring space as well. Don't forget to subscribe and visit my Instagram page for more coloring inspirations. Thanks for watching!